He freaking uses his phone to talk for his thing.
He's gonna get mad, but he won't be able to say anything.
We're trying to play Fortnite, right? We're over here playing Fortnite. No, I'm the nice Durburger. And he will not talk, and it's really making me mad.
Poppin', rockin', know that I'm show stopping. We did it first, you copy. Walk in the church and rock it. Walk down the street, hit the devil like Rocky. Praise him forever, ain't never gonna stop me. Cooking the soup, call me Nubi Hibachi. Major League, we kicking hard like karate.
Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Isaac Barker, back with another White Boy video. Yeah, my voice is gone, by the way, for this video. I didn't even plan this. My plan was just to not talk for 24 hours, and my voice is like just, it's straight up gone. I don't even know. I woke up and I couldn't talk, so I'm not gonna be talking anyway for the next 24 hours. I'm not gonna lie to you, this should not be too hard, because I don't really talk that much at school anyway. I lay low in my classes, so it's not like teachers are gonna call on me. I don't have to talk, pretty much. I don't have to talk in any of my classes. So starting at 7:45, I am gonna go 24 hours without talking. I'm gonna start talking again at 7:45 tomorrow morning. This shouldn't be too hard. The school day will be the hardest part. Then I'll just come home, chill, do whatever. I don't know, but I'm not gonna talk. Hey Mom, guess what? I'm going 24 hours without talking. At 7:45, I'm gonna start a challenge. I can't talk at all.
Okay.
What do you think?
I think that's going to be really hard to do at school.
No, it won't. I don't get called on or anything. I'm dumb.
I think it'll be nice not to have to hear your voice for 24 hours.
That's great. Thank you. This is what's going to get me through the day, boys. This is what's going to get me through the day. When I have my headphones in, I don't even feel the need to talk. So that's going to get me through the day without having to talk at all, guys. Alright, guys. I've decided I'm going to give myself 3 strikes and you're out. 3 times I talk, I slip up. I'll let you guys know when I get a strike. But I'm going to make it through. I'm not going to talk. 10 minutes left of talking. So I need to talk as much as possible, everyone. I have 2 minutes until I cannot talk anymore. You ready for this no talking challenge? No! Thanks. Alright, I'm gonna talk right as it turns to 7:45, and then I'm just gonna stop talking. I'm gonna make my last word something special. Alright? What?
What are you going to make it?
I don't know. What should I say? Nick, I swear.
This is going to be so hard. You guys ready? I'm not since Monday.
I can talk now.
No, that's still talking.
Text to speech.
Don't be rude, Isaac. What if people say hi to you and you don't say anything back? That's rude.
This is better.
Ew.
This is better.
Isaac, don't, I don't know. This is hard. It's rude of you to ignore people if they say hi to you. You're gonna make them not like you.
You can smile and wave.
Bye, Natalie. Have an awful day.
Isaac. Love you, Baba.
Bye, Mom and Dad. I love you. See you after school.
Oh my god.
Bye, Bub. Have a good day.
Love you, bye.
Got your lunch? Okay.
I'm doing a challenge. I can't talk for a day.
Really? You just did. Okay. Can I kick you?
Challenge. I can't talk for a day.
Oh, you're doing the no talk.
Doing a challenge. I can't talk for a day.
Oh, okay.
I lost my voice also. I lost my voice also. I'm doing a challenge. I can't talk for a day.
What the hell? That's so stupid. For YouTube? You're gonna get $1,000 views?
I have pay now and there's jerks in my class who may make me talk. I have a feeling I'm gonna get a strike. I'll bring my GoPro to film. I'm doing a challenge. I can't talk for a day.
No.
I lost my voice also.
He freaking uses his phone to talk for his thing.
He's gonna get mad, but he won't be able to say anything.
No, you can't. But you can't pull his photos. Can't say a word.
I wish I would have gotten it on video, but I didn't. Some senior came up to me and said he was going to smoke me in the face with a dodgeball and make me mad, so I would have to talk. And I kept getting him out, so here it is.
I got you. Yeah, I did. I got you.
As you just saw, there's a lot of people in my PE class that hate me, so I had to talk. Don't let that ruin the challenge. No more talking from now on. 25 likes for a part 2.
7th hour. I came to the bathroom to update you. Ever since 3rd hour, I've kept quiet. I had to talk to my teacher to get it here. I said it almost in a whisper, so I'm good. My class is working, so I talked to her quietly. I'm going to Will's house tonight, so he might join my challenge and we use this app. Okay, I'm gonna go back to class. I'll see you guys after school.
Oh, I forgot. How did it go? Did you talk today at all?
Everybody found out and started acting like jerks.
How were they jerks?
School was something. I'm home now. Going to Will's at 5 or 6. Eating a fruit cut cause sugar is good on my throat. It's 11 right now. I still haven't lost. Will is angry. By the way, I'm at his house now.
Isaac, come on. Please talk, my dude. Actually, it's getting annoying.
We'll take the camera and explain.
Dude, stop. Oh my gosh. Okay, so basically right now, we're trying to play Fortnite, right? We're over here playing Fortnite. You know, I'm the nice Durburger. And he will not talk. And he will not talk on the stupid voice chat. And it's really making me mad because there's a guy, right? And there's a guy. And I'm like over here. He's over here. He's over here. And I don't know if he's coming because he's not talking. And it's making me mad. And I'm trying to carry him. And he's doing bad. And I'm... it's making me mad.
I'm gonna break the challenge. 8 hours early. I'm gonna break it.
Please, like, actually. It's starting to get annoying.
Okay, here we go. You ready, Will?
Am I ready? I'm ready.
Oh my gosh, this is the first time I've talked in since 7th hour at school, which was 9 hours ago. Oh my gosh. I only talked twice, so I didn't get my 3 strikes, but I'm ending it a little early because I'm at Will's house. Will, how does it feel for me to be out of this challenge? He does not care right now. I see what he's doing. He's doing it too. My throat hurts, definitely. Bro. Oh, it feels good to talk.
I may not have lasted the whole 24 hours, but I did my best. Our world cannot be innovated, and we cannot communicate without words. Jocks get salty, you can't voice chat on Fortnite, nobody wins. Hey, like and subscribe. Peace.
What is you doing today? Praying at school today, acting a fool today, might hop in the pool with babe. Jesus, you can let it go and let it rain, walk in the kingdom, cause I know daddy took all of my pain, yo, poppin', rockin'.